If I were to take the 2026 JAMB exam, how exactly would I prepare to get 300 plus in JAMB? This video is going to be very simple but strategic. As of today, you guys have approximately 75 days to your JAMB exam. If I were you, how exactly am I going to prepare? JAMB exam is by April, so now let's build a study plan together. If you're able to stick to this study plan, I don't think you should still fail JAMB. If you are new here, I'm Max, and I'm a third year medical student of Lagos State University College of Medicine. Thank you for always following me and subscribing to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. This thing is full locking. Type it in the comment section. Full locking. We are going on a locking mode. You guys have like 75 days left to your exam. How are you going to do this? If I were to write the exam, how exactly will I prepare? And I've broken this down into a series of simple steps. The first step is for you to get a book. When you get a book, I want you to write the JAMB score you want to get, or the JAMB score you are working towards getting. Write it. If it is 350, write it there and break it down. This is what I want to get in chemistry. This is what I want to get in physics. This is what I want to get in mathematics. And this is what I want to get in English. I want you to do that. After watching this video, go and do that right away. Why do you need to do this? Because you need to put yourself in the mood. Which mood? Locking mood. We need to get locked in this session. After getting this book, the next thing you should do is to what? Start simple. I like that word. If you've not been reading before, know that you are starting from scratch. Start simple. You still have enough time. 75 days is enough days to lock in and still pass your JAMB. You can still get 300 plus if you lock in as at the time you are watching this video. Now, start simple. What do I mean? Get the JAMB syllabus. If you don't have access to the JAMB syllabus, I'm going to drop the link to the JAMB syllabus in the description of this video. Go and you will see the syllabus, sha. In that syllabus, you will see the list of topics. Now, in that your book, write those topics down for each of your subjects. For biology, write all the topics. For chemistry, write all the topics. For physics, write all the topics. Right? So now we are going to start. You are going to start what? Simple. Now the question is, do you have textbooks to read? If you don't have, now go and buy them. I'm telling you, now go and buy them. Anytime you're watching this, if you don't have textbooks, go and buy textbook. Chemistry textbook, if you don't have. Physics textbook, go and buy it. Biology textbook, go and buy it. I have recommended textbook for you guys to use. Check my page, you see those textbooks. Go and buy them. But if you don't have money to buy them, you can use e-textbooks. Some people, you can just get e-textbooks online. But I would advise you to get physical textbooks. After that, now let's do this planning. After writing all these topics in that book, we need to create a study schedule and a study routine for you. Now we have 4 sessions: morning session, afternoon session, and 2 evening sessions. Follow me. Follow me, oh. Morning session is to read, study your textbook. Pick a particular topic and study it in your textbook. That's for your morning session. No distraction. Your brain is always active in the morning. Study a new topic in the morning session. Afternoon session, that topic that you studied, I want you to go to YouTube. Watch videos on that topic. Search it on YouTube. Watch videos on that topic. You can watch my videos. I have made videos on all the topics. You see it on my YouTube channel. Watch videos on that topic. Right? That's the afternoon session. Also, Google search on that topic. Ask ChatGPT questions on that topic. This is what I don't understand. Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT will explain some things to you. That way, you are getting better. Evening session. Are you following me? You know, I told you we have 2 evening sessions. The first evening session is to read again. Study your textbook again. Because that time, the noise would have reduced, the environmental noise and all. I don't know. By evening, study that topic again. If you didn't finish it before, if it was like a broad topic, finish it up. But if it is not a broad topic that you had finished already in the morning, you can take another subject and read it for that evening session. Or another topic from another subject and read it for that evening session. That's the first evening session. The second evening session, what are you going to do? You are going to practice. You are going to study past questions and practice. Not just past questions. You are going to study questions from that particular topic. You get those topics that you read. If it is one topic that you read throughout the day, that last evening sessions, use it to practice and time yourself. This is how you are going to be doing. Are you following me? First morning session, read, right? Afternoon session, watch YouTube videos on that topic that you read. And also Google search, ask ChatGPT things. First evening session is what? Complete what you were reading in the morning. But if you had completed it, read another one, another topic. That is another subject. And then last evening session, solve as many questions as possible on that topic that you read. After that one, go and rest, go and sleep. The next day, you are ready for the next day. You are going to repeat this cycle again. Another thing I will most likely be doing if I were to take the JAMB exam again is to teach people when I can. Because you teaching people is going to help you understand that topic better. Many people be like, I want to keep to myself. What I've read, I want to keep to myself. It's not always the best. When you teach somebody, you are going to understand it better. If someone tells you, teach me this thing, and you had read that thing before, You have to go and revise that thing again before you teach that person. That way it will stick better. See, get it's scope now. This thing is scope. My last word for you guys is to lock in completely. Delete apps you need to delete. Stop going to places you don't have to be going to. This exam is only once. Write it once and forget it. I'm very angry. I'm angry. Write this exam once and forget it. Lock it completely. If it is TikTok that is stopping you, stop the TikTok. If it's TikTok that is stopping you, delete the TikTok that delete it and lock it completely. You have 75 days left. If you want to start reading like a week to the exam, you are probably not going to get the score you want to get. This particular period is the time for you to lock in completely. Delete TikTok. After you finish your exam, you are going to download it back. After you finish the exam, you are going to download it back. So delete it now and lock in completely. If I were taking the JAMB 2026 exam with you guys, this is exactly how I'm going to prepare. And I'm so certain that I'll be able to get 300 plus with this. Follow 4 study sessions. Morning, study. Afternoon, YouTube and Google. First evening session, study again. Last evening session, practice as many questions as possible. And then teach people. And then lock in, lock in, lock in. Don't unlock, lock in. I guess that's it, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's the best way. I love you guys. Peace.